Types of computers: desktop, laptop, server, embedded. Here is your same structured beginner-friendly content for types of computers: desktop, laptop, server, embedded. Beginner level introduction. Computers come in different types depending on their purpose, size, and performance. The most common types are desktop computers, laptop computers, servers, embedded systems. Each type is designed for specific tasks such as access, personal use, portability, large-scale processing, specialized automation. Examples include desktop for office work, laptop for portability, server for websites, embedded systems in cars and appliances. This topic helps beginners understand the different types of computers and where they are used. What are types of computers? Types of computers are categories of computing devices based on how they are used and designed. In simple words, different computers are built for different purposes. Key idea: instead of one type of computer for everything, we have different types for different needs. Main types of computers: type purpose, desktop, personal and office work, laptop, portable computing, server, manage networks and data, embedded, specialized tasks inside devices. Desktop computers. What is a desktop? A desktop computer is a personal computer designed to stay in one place. Features: high performance, SOMR, larger size, separate components. Examples: office computers, gaming PCs, home desktops, print, desktop used for general tasks. Laptop computers. What is a laptop? A laptop is a portable computer that combines all components into one device. Features: C portable, C battery powered, C compact. Examples: student laptops, work laptops, travel computers, print, laptop used anywhere. Server computers. What is a server? A server is a powerful computer that provides services to other computers. Features: CAPS, high performance, runs continuously, handles multiple users. Examples: web servers, database servers, cloud servers, print, server handles requests. Embedded systems. What is an embedded computer? An embedded system is a small computer built into a device to perform a specific task. Features: check, specialized, small size, low power. Examples: washing machines, cars, smart TVs, IoT devices. Print, embedded system controls device. Comparison of computer types. Feature: desktop, laptop, server, embedded. Portability: no, yes, inside. Performance: high, medium, very high, low, medium. Use case: personal, mobile use, network services, specific tasks. Compact, large, very small. Example of usage: device equals server. If device equals server, print, handling network requests. How different computers work. Step 1. Input data equals user request. Step 2. Processing result equals process data. Step 3. Output print result. Real-world examples: desktop office work, gaming laptop, remote work, education, server websites, cloud computing, embedded, smart. Home devices, cars, full menu-based example. Def desktop, print, using desktop computer. Def laptop, print, using laptop computer. Def server, print, running server tasks. Def embedded, print, operating embedded system. While true: print, N1 desktop, print, 2 laptop, print, 3 server, print, 4 embedded. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, desktop. Elif choice equals 2, laptop. Elif choice equals 3, server. Elif choice equals 4, embedded. Elif choice equals 5, break. Else, print invalid choice. Types of computers. Use cases of each type. Performance differences. Portability versus power. Specialized computing. Real-life analogy. Different computers are like different vehicles. Desktop means truck, powerful. Laptop means car, portable. Server means bus, serves many users. Embedded means machine part, specific job. Ways To improve understanding, compare devices, use different computers, study hardware specs, learn networking basics, explore embedded systems, build small projects, use cloud servers, analyze performance, common mistakes beginners make. X. Thinking all computers are the same. X. Ignoring use cases. Confusing server with desktop. X. Not understanding embedded systems. X. Overlooking performance differences. Where they are used. Homes, offices, data centers, industries, healthcare, automotive, IoT systems, cloud platforms. Large systems may include data centers, supercomputers, distributed systems, embedded networks. Simple definition. Types of computers. Different categories of computers designed for specific tasks such as personal use, portability, networking, and specialized operations. Final summary. Different types of computers serve different purposes. Cutout. Desktop means powerful personal computing. Laptop means portable computing. Server means manages networks and services. Embedded means specialized tasks. Understanding these helps you choose the right system for the right job.